Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about comparing whole numbers. One question I want to ask is, when do you compare numbers in your daily life? Maybe you're comparing the height of two different things. Maybe you're comparing the prices on different gaming consoles that you're interested in. Or maybe you're comparing the scores of two different teams in a sporting event. In math class, we'll use different symbols to help us compare numbers. If two numbers are the same or equal to one another, we'll use the equal sign. We'll also use some inequality symbols such as the greater than symbol and the less than symbol. In our first example, we're comparing two different six-digit numbers. You'll notice that they both go out to the hundred thousands place. Now it's important when you're comparing numbers that you compare like places. So we will be starting by looking at the hundred thousands place, which is the greatest place for these numbers. I notice that the number on the right has 500 thousands, while the number on the left only has 2. That makes the number on the right the greater number. Notice that the opening on this symbol is facing the larger number. The way this inequality would be read would be 237,981 is less than 500,600. In our next example, we're also comparing two six-digit numbers. So we'll start with the hundred thousands place, and we notice right away that they're the same. When they're the same, you move to the next place to the right, which in this case would be the 10,000s place. We notice that they still are the same. They both have three 10,000s, so we need to keep moving to the right. When we compare the thousands places, they're still the same, a 5 and a 5. So we don't know which number is greater yet based on those first three places. When we move to the hundreds place, we still notice that they have the same digit. They both have 8 hundreds. It's not until we get to the tens place that we notice the number on the left has more tens than the number on the right. This makes the number on the left the greater number. The way we would read this inequality would be 435,891 is greater than 435,889. Our next example compares two five-digit numbers. That means they're going out to the 10,000s place. So when we compare the 10,000s place, we notice they each have one 10,000. We need to move to the thousands place and compare those, and we notice they're still the same, so they each have 7,000. It's not until we get to the hundreds place that we notice a difference in the digits. The number on the right has 8 hundreds, and the number on the left only has 7. That makes the number on the right the greater number. We would read this inequality 17,756 is less than 17,856. Our next example compares two seven-digit numbers. That means they go out to the millions place. When we compare the millions places, we notice right away that the number on the right has 5 millions, while the number on the left only has 3. This makes the number on the right the greater number. The way we would read this inequality would be 3,506,017 is less than 5,306,007. In our final example, you notice that the two numbers look the same, and that's because they are. If you go through starting at the hundred thousands place and go all the way down to the ones place, you'll notice that they are exactly the same. That makes these two numbers equal to one another. So that's it for comparing whole numbers, folks. See you next time.